Hi, I will tell about Nodemcu. What is Nodemcu and its pin diagram and how it's working I will tell about. First we will see what is Nodemcu. Nodemcu is a low-cost open-source IoT development board based on the ESP8266 and Wi-Fi module. It is built around the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, which has the microcontroller and Wi-Fi capability in one chip. It uses Lua scripting languages originally, but nowadays we using programmed using in Arduino IDE. It widely used for IoT related projects. It combines microcontroller capability with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, easy to connect devices to the internet. It provides easy way to connect sensors, actuators to the IoT related projects. And the Nodemcu has become popular choice for students, hobbyists and developers working for IoT related projects. Next, the pin diagram of Nodemcu ESP8266. I will explain the pin diagrams of each pins. First we will see the power pins. Power pin V in and B input voltages and it can be used for 5 volt. The ESP8266 operating voltage will be 3.3 volt. The ground used for ground connection. Next, the digital pins. The digital pins comes from D0 to D8. It used for general purpose input output for controlling LEDs, sensors, motors, etc. It will be controlled. Analog pins means it can be reads the analog signals only. Next we will see the communication pins. Transmitter and receiver is a easy to communicate with, so used for serial communication with PC or other devices. Next, SCL and SDA, that these two pins are I2C pins for connecting multiple sensors using I2C related protocols. Next, SPI pins. The SPI pins for high. This is also used for communication and it can be used for high speed communication with displays, memory cards, etc. And it can be also special pins also having that special pins are reset pin and enable pin. Enable pin is a chip enable pin, must be high for normal operations. Reset pin means restart the Nodemcu. And GPIO pins. GPIO pins is very important in Nodemcu ESP8266. This pins GPIO means general purpose input output pins. It is used to connect the ESP8266 external devices like sensors, LEDs, buzzers, motors and displays. This is the pin diagram of Nodemcu ESP8266. Next, I will tell about the working principles of Nodemcu ESP8266. ESP8266 is a small, it is a low-cost microcontroller chip. It is built in Wi-Fi, widely used in IoT-related projects because it allows electronic devices to connect the internet easily. It is like a mini computer and it has have a 32-bit processor. Tensorica LX106. This is a microcontroller name. The operating voltage of ESP8266 can be 3.3 volts. Is powered via USB or external supply. The programs are written in Arduino IDE and uploaded to the ESP8266. And the ESP8266 act as a microcontroller and execute and upload the code and process the inputs. Next, the chip has the integrated Wi-Fi transceiver that allow to connect a Wi-Fi router and create in one hotspot on both the same time. That ESP8266 has been 32-bit processing, that the data processing can be comes with zeros and ones. The process in time sequence. The clock speed can be 80 megahertz. It can be used for both processing and Wi-Fi community. And flash memory also it having that flash memory will be 4 MB. It can be upload and program will be storing. And the RAM is 64 kb. Next, the true built-in TCP and IP and HTTP protocols. The ESP8266 can send or receive the data over the internet or local network. It is easy way to connect to communicate with cloud server, mobile app and other devices. Next, the internet to connect. Next, the data can be sent to the cloud platform like Blink, ThinkSpeak. It has been monitoring and controlling from anywhere. That ESP8266 can be mainly used for monitoring and controlling from anywhere. This is the main purpose of it. Next, we will see the advantages of Nodemcu. The power will be low consumption. It useful for battery operated devices. The size will be small and weight also light, suitable for compact IoT devices. The cost also low. Support multiple programming like Arduino IDE, MicroPython, Lua, and ESP8266 is a open source and easy way to write the program. Next, we will see the applications of the Nodemcu. It control IoT appliances via smartphones, enable industrial monitoring and automation. Home automations. Home automation means control light, fan, that can be controlling. That smart agriculture means monitoring soil moisture, moisture level, temperature, that can be monitoring. These are the applications of the Nodemcu ESP8266. That's all.